Large-scale water purification. Welcome to TCP Academy. Mr. Wilson is excited to share with you large-scale water purification. This is in partial fulfillment of the CCC Human and Social Biology syllabus. Section E, SPO8. Large-scale water purification involves several key processes to ensure that water is safe for human consumption and use. Here's a step-by-step breakdown of the main stages, including screening, sedimentation, filtration, and chlorination. 1. Screening. Purpose: to remove large debris and solid waste such as sticks, leaves, plastics, and other rubbish from the raw water source, e.g., rivers, lakes, or reservoirs. Process: water passes through metal screens or bars that trap these larger materials. Outcome: prevents damage to subsequent equipment and ensures smoother downstream processing. 2. Sedimentation. Purpose: to remove suspended particles like sand, silt, and organic matter by allowing them to settle out of the water. Process: water is transferred to large tanks called sedimentation basins. Sometimes coagulants, like alum, are added to clump fine particles into larger ones, a process called flocculation. These heavier particles then settle at the bottom of the basin due to gravity. Outcome: clearer water is left at the top and is drawn off for further treatment. 3. Filtration. Purpose: to remove remaining fine particles, microorganisms, and impurities that didn't settle during sedimentation. Process: water is passed through filters made of layers of sand, gravel, and sometimes activated carbon. These materials trap and remove particles and some pathogens. Outcome: significantly cleaner water, free of most physical contaminants. 4. Chlorination, disinfection. Purpose: to kill or inactivate any remaining harmful bacteria, viruses, and pathogens. Process: chlorine or chlorine compounds, like sodium hypochlorite, are added to the filtered water. Sufficient contact time is allowed for the chlorine to effectively disinfect the water. Outcome: safe, potable water ready for distribution. Summary: the purification process works in a logical sequence: screening, sedimentation, filtration, chlorination. Each stage plays a crucial role in ensuring that water is both clean and safe for public use. Thanks much for watching. Please be reminded to like, share, and subscribe. Question: is this your first time visiting my channel? Join our online biology or human and social biology class at our competitive rate and be among those who will enjoy success. Please support my book on Amazon, Practical Biology Lab Book, with labs for CC. As you know, until we next meet, walk good.